Hello everybody, we are ready for our letter for today. We are starting a new letter today, and it is this letter right here. Does anybody know the name of this letter? This is the letter E. Say that with me. E. Let's say it 3 times together. E. 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 E is a vowel, which means it makes 2 sounds. It makes a long sound where it says its own name, E, and it makes a short sound, eh. Eh. So E says eh, eh, E. Let's say that together. E says eh, E. Eh, E. Here's our alpha friend for the letter E. Her name is Edna Elephant. Edna's ear and her trunk make the shape of a lowercase e. You can still almost kind of picture them even without the E on her body. That lowercase e on her ear and her trunk. Edna and elephant both start with a short e sound. Eh, eh. We're going to read our E story and listen for other E words while we read. This is called the Enormous Elephant Show. Did you hear any eh or E sounds in that title? Listen again. The Enormous Elephant Show. I heard 2. I heard a long E sound, enormous, and I heard a short E sound, elephant. So I want you to put your listening ears on and listen for other long and short E sounds in our story, the Enormous Elephant Show. So listen for those E sounds. Elvin the elephant is waiting backstage. To start his show, just turn the page. Elvin the elephant makes an E out of eels. Elvin the elephant tosses eggplants to seals. Elvin the elephant does excellent dives. Elvin the elephant bakes elderberry pies. Elvin the elephant pulls an elk from a hat. Elvin the elephant sends email to his cat. Elvin the elephant models elegant clothes. Elvin the elephant skates with eggs on his toes. Elvin the elephant climbs evergreen trees. Elvin the elephant eats a mountain of peas. Elvin the elephant exercises with a cow. Elvin the elephant takes an enormous bow. How many things can you find that begin with the letter E? So it's either going to have the eh or the E sound at the beginning. I'll give you just a minute to look. Text me and tell me what you see that starts with E. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 different. 7. Let me know what you see. All right, here's our E cheer. Get ready, and I'm going to say it, and you say it back to me. E is for elephant. E is for ear. E is for elk. A kind of deer. E is for egg, elbow and eye. E is for eagle that soars through the sky. Hooray for E! Big and small. The most excellent, exciting letter of all. What is the name of that letter? E. And E says E. E. We're going to do our E sound page today. I'm going to kind of go over it and give you the directions, and then you're going to do it on your own. The first thing you're going to do is put your name up here at the top. And then you're going to color the pictures that begin with the E sound. Now that is 2 sounds because E is a vowel, so the picture may start with or it could start with E. I'm going to name these pictures for you, okay? You've got heart, explorer, dinosaur, ball, an ear of corn, helicopter, envelope, fish, elf, candle, egg, elephant, and apple. So you're going to color only the words that begin with an E sound, and you're going to leave the other ones blank. And then tomorrow we will learn how to write the letter E. So I will see you then.